This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for unemployment allowance in Haryana. Start by gathering identity proof, residency proof, bank details, and employment records. Then register on the Haryana employment portal or visit your nearest employment office to create a profile. Complete the unemployment allowance application carefully, upload required documents, and submit. Track your application status online and respond promptly to any verification requests to avoid delays. To qualify, check residency and employment history first and ensure you have any contribution record if required. Next, review age limits and disqualification rules like voluntary resignation or termination for misconduct. Prepare digital copies of your identity, address, bank details, and employment proof to speed up the process. If you lack any document, obtain certified copies or an affidavit as allowed. Clear preparation helps avoid rejections and speeds up benefit receipt. Begin by registering on the Haryana employment portal with your mobile number and email, or visit a local employment office for help. Carefully fill each section of the unemployment allowance form, double-check bank IFSC and account numbers, and upload clear scan documents. After submission, record the application reference number and monitor status online. If additional verification is requested, respond quickly to prevent delays in receiving allowances.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.